For foot rolling, we have 3 tools that we can use: lacrosse ball, peanut ball, or a dance roller. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take our shoes off, put one of these in the ground. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and start on the ball of the foot, roll all the way to the heel, back and forth. We're gonna go ahead and repeat this motion anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds. We're looking for a slight amount of pain, but nothing that's gonna go ahead and allow the muscle to tighten up more.